Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegib.com, link in the description below. Sure, here's a step-by-step tutorial on installing CUDA for Python using the pip package manager, along with a code example. Before installing CUDA, make sure your GPU is compatible. You can check the NVIDIA CUDA GPU compatibility list here. Make sure you have the latest NVIDIA GPU drivers installed on your system. You can download them from the NVIDIA website. Download and install the CUDA toolkit from the NVIDIA CUDA toolkit download page. Follow the installation instructions provided for your operating system. CUDNN is a GPU-accelerated library for deep neural networks. Download and install CUDNN from the NVIDIA CUDNN download page. If you are using PyTorch, you can install a version that is compatible with your CUDA version. For example, make sure to check the PyTorch website for the latest compatible versions. For TensorFlow, you can install a version compatible with your CUDA version. Make sure to check the TensorFlow installation guide for the latest compatible versions. After installing CUDA and the necessary libraries, you can verify the installation by running the following Python code. This code snippet checks if CUDA is available and prints the GPU device name if it is. Congratulations! You've successfully installed CUDA for Python using pip and verified the installation. Now you can leverage the power of your GPU for accelerated computations in your Python projects. ChatGPT